My name is Hart Haymaker, and I will be performing lab experiment number 5, and this deals with the caloric content of foods. The objectives of this lab experiment are to measure the energy content of various food items and to become familiar with energy units like calories and joules. The materials I need for this experiment are the following. I've got a lighter, aluminum tray, metal fork. I've got my food items, which include marshmallows, a chip, and some walnuts. I've got a water source at room temperature. I've got my 100 milliliter beaker, my burner stand, safety goggles of course. I have my digital scale, as well as my test tube clamp, and my thermometer. Now, the first step in the procedure is to, with my digital scale, weigh the empty 100 milliliter beaker. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. And I want to make sure that it goes down to 0. I'll tear that. And we'll go ahead and get a measurement. Alright. Alright, so the beaker looks to be at 54.9 grams. And I'll go ahead and record that. Next step is to fill the beaker halfway full, which is approximately 50 milliliters. Pretty good. Alright, poured a little too much. Perfect. Alright. Now the mass of the beaker with the distilled water is 103.8 grams. Now I need to get the mass of the water, which I'll subtract mass of the beaker with water by the mass of the beaker without. And it looks like it's going to be 48.9 grams of water. Put the beaker on top of the tray. I'm going to go ahead and record the initial temperature of the water. And it is at 23 degrees Celsius. Alright, now, with my digital scale, I'm going to determine the mass of our first food item. And that is one of our jumbo marshmallows. And that is coming up to 7.3 grams. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh the mass of the marshmallow and what I'm going to use to hold it. This is going to be a little bit difficult, seeing as it's quite bigger than the scale. Let's see here. All right, that is 66 grams. All right, and that will conclude my lab experiment number 5, at least the video portion. Thank you so much, and have a good night.